All right, the update is here for the Google Pixel phones. The January update is here for the Pixel 7 series, 6 series, 5 series, and the 4A. You should be able to get it, possibly now, possibly later on this week. So here's the thing. So they've gone ahead and they've pushed it out. You can get the file straight from the Android developer website if you want to download it and sideload it that way. The OTA, which is the over-the-air update, which is what is always pushed out, is going to start rolling out today. This is something that's going to roll out basically throughout the end of the week. Might even pop up later. I mean, I still know some folks who are on the November update who haven't got the December patch yet, which is very odd. I'm trying to get to the bottom of that. But if you have your phone, very, very easy. All you need to do is just go into your settings. So go to the settings and go down to the settings there, and then go to System. And then once you get to System, there's a special little area that says System Update. So what's likely going to happen is it will pop up and say your system is up to date. Just press the button that says check for update. And then that will do one of two things. It'll either start downloading it and say the update is available, or it will still say your phone is up to date. So not a whole lot there. And honestly, this is probably one of the more boring updates of the year. Every month we get the security patch. And for those of you who are seasoned Google Pixel fans, you probably already know this. And if you're new to the fam because you just picked up a Pixel 7 over the holidays, you got a Pixel 6a, you got a Pixel 7 Pro, welcome. I'm glad you're here. You might not have seen these videos before. So briefly, I want to explain how this works. Every month, we get the security patch. And the security patch, just anything that's out there that's relevant, that's updated, it's kind of like Google's little seal of approval to say, okay, we looked around, if there was anything worth updating, we put it there. If not, usually they go and throw a couple little system patches in there. So if they need to tweak the antenna, if they want to try and do some refinements with the fingerprint sensor, they want to update something on the UI, sometimes they'll do that in the monthly update. So usually it's just one or two or three little things. It's really not that big of a deal. And this month, really not that big of a deal. Now, also what we get is the quarterly updates. So if you're not familiar, every quarter we get a feature drop. So the feature drop was in December. It was last month. We got some cool new things there. And that's something that's nice to add along as well. That's why I say the Google Pixel phones get better with time, because, ta-da, we get the quarterly feature drops. And especially when the new version of Android comes out, we usually get a couple new things too. So this, again, is for the Pixel 4a, 5, 5a, 6, 6a, 6 Pro, 7, and 7 Pro. And you should be able to grab that. Now, if you can't, don't fret. Do not worry, because it'll get there eventually. This thing, it's like I said, it's not the end of the world, and I'm going to come back tomorrow and I'll talk more about the stuff that they actually did fix or change and stuff like that. This is mostly just okay, it's here. Check and see if you can get it. If you can get it, that's perfectly great. I'm happy for you. It's not available for me yet, and normally it's not available for me until, well, usually a day or two afterward. Used to be back in the day, like last year, even before last year, they were Johnny on the spot with it. And then it seems like they kind of took a different approach and took a little bit more time to roll it out through the week, as opposed to just blam, shotgun blast it, and everybody gets it at once. And I think a lot of that was caused by, well, they ran into some issues with the updates last year. Thankfully, we haven't really been on that problem since the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 6a got here. So if you got your phone, definitely go check. If you don't have it, don't worry, don't fret. It'll be all right. And also, this is a little bit out of the ordinary because, well, the update day is normally the first Monday of the month. However, sometimes holidays fall on the first Monday of the month, and that's what led us to the position that we're in now. I had originally made a video the other day. I'd originally made one on Sunday saying, okay, this is what you can expect, and I fully expected it to drop on Monday. Well, that didn't happen. So I was off of my prediction. I completely forgot about the fact that, well, the first, even though it was a Sunday, the second being the observable holiday. So it kind of threw things off for me. I've been at home for a long time, and everybody knows about that time frame between basically, what is it, Christmas or when the kids get out of school till the beginning of the year and you can't keep track of the days. That's totally been me. I thought it was Wednesday the other day, then I thought it was Sunday, then I thought it was Saturday, and it's been really hard to keep track of things. But now we're in 2023, and I mean, that's great. We're in a new year, all that good stuff. I hope you have a wonderful new year. Hopefully you're able to get the patch, and that's pretty much the size of that. So hopefully this next month, things will be back on track. We've had this happen historically. If you look back just at the 4th of July, it was on a Monday. They pushed the update to Wednesday. You look at Labor Day, it fell on a Monday, they pushed it to Wednesday, and then this one, of course, they pushed it to today. So I wish that they had like a little schedule. It would be really nice if Google would come out and say, okay, here you go, we're going to drop it on this day because of the holiday. Like, otherwise it leaves some guesswork. And I apologize if I got anybody riled up about it the other day with what to expect. Really, I just wanted to talk about kind of what to expect with the update, what we might see from it, and things like that. But it worked out well. Y'all have been wonderful. It's here now, and we don't have to play guesswork anymore. So thanks a lot. Hopefully this has been helpful for you. Hopefully it's been insightful. If you're new to the Pixel family, that's why I like to explain some of this stuff. Otherwise, yes, it could just be like a TikTok reel. Or that's two different platforms, a TikTok video or an Instagram reel. I like to kind of explain things here and keep folks up to date, let them know what to expect. And I'll double back around and talk about some of the fixes and the other stuff tomorrow. But good luck. Download it if you can. If not, it'll be there soon. And as always, that's all I've got. So if you have any questions or comments, please go to the comment section. I will get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.